Kirana Nilaya Complex. Kirana Nilaya Complex. Opposite Coffee Board. Opposite Coffee Board layout. 10 number. Kebapura? Kebab. Right. Yep.
Actually, what is your problem?
The bill was not paid.
This
Bill
bill.
was fine.
Pen. Take it. number. Pay ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. C4EH.
C4EH
57207.
57207.
You have paid amount of rupees 1383. Last month outstanding they have paid. Installation was disconnected.
Yeah.
You want reconnection?
Yes.
Reconnection.
Last time, even after payment, he came and he asked me for 200 rupees. I didn't give him.
Last month, tell me please.
The line was cut, so
Yeah.
my friend came and he paid the. He came with the bill to this office that we have inside this horticultural college.
Yeah, definitely.
Right. So this guy came in after 2 days and he asked for 200 rupees. I didn't give him.
Hmm.
He connected. He didn't get the fuse. He just connected the wire. He went off. Today again he.
MR 66. Second reading.
Right, sir.
RA number C4EH 57207. Address Andre iವರು I think you are the tenant of that house.
Yes,
Who
exactly.
is Savita Mahesh? He is the owner of the
Yeah.
Total how many connections are there in your building?
I guess 10, 11,
You don't know.
12 connection. I guess.
Total 12. Okay, we will take care of that. Call that person, we will inquire about that.
And what I'll pay this bill. I understand it's my fault itself that I haven't paid it on 17th because I wasn't in Bangalore.
No problem.
I just came back. So normally.
If you want ECS facility, we will provide for you, no problem.
Excuse me.
If you want ECS facility for your payment, electricity payment,
Okay.
they are arranging for that, no problem.
ECS is exactly.
Electronic clearing system.
Alright.
So bank amount will be dispensed directly. You need not pay in the
Okay.
counters.
Okay.
That option is also there. If you want, you can adapt because working people it is
Right.
very helpful. If you
Hmm.
want, I will give an application for you. If you need it, I will give it to you. You want, and we will take care of this.
I have my bill back.
Definitely.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರ ನಿಮ್ದೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇವ್ರ ಹೆಸರೇನಪ್ಪ?
ಬಿಲ್ ಕೊಡಿ.
Tomorrow.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ.
ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಆರ ನಂಬರ್ ಹಾಕಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
C4LG
C4LG
73987.
ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್
ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ GTL Infrastructure Limited. GTL Infrastructure Limited. ಟವರ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಅದು ಬಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು 1,40,000 ಚಿಲ್ಲರೆ.
ಹಾಂ
ಇದು ಈ ಮಂತ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
ಹಾಂ
ಅದು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಒಂದು 3 ತಿಂಗಳಿಂದ ಅದು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಹುಳ ಗುಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಲೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಂ
ಅದು ಬಂದು ಒಂದೇ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳು ಬಂದು ಒಂದು 4,500 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೋದು.
ಅವರೇಜ್ ಕನ್ಸಂಪ್ಷನ್ 4,000 70,000 ಬಂದೈತಿ.
ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 1,40,000 ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಟೋಟಲ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ 1,12,000 ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಹಾಂ
30,000 ಬರಬೇಕು, 70,000 ಬಂದಿದೆ.
ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್